Many people ask, can a freezer spell be used for love? The answer is yes, but first it is important to understand what a freezer spell is and how it works. A freezer spell is an option to keep away any type of energy that is contrary to us. Envy, selfishness, and hate can be kept away by freezing these energies. Freezer spells are also meant to bind people, for stopping someone from doing something. In love magic, freezer spells are not meant to attract or bring someone to us. Freezer spells are used if your partner is cheating on you, or if there's another person bringing a negative influence in your relationship. This freezer spell will act to stop that person or stop your partner from behaving in inappropriate ways. You could even use a freezer spell to break up a couple, but this would be considered black magic, so be careful. This freezer spell will stop a person from seeing someone. It is important to remember that the goal is not to harm the person. It is to cancel their energy and simply stop them from causing harm. This spell doesn't require any special tools. You will only need a piece of paper, a pen or pencil, a container, and a freezer. If you don't have a freezer jar, use a plastic container to make sure that it won't break with the cold and break the spell. Let's begin. First, write down the name of the person you want to freeze on the piece of paper. For example, write down the name of your partner's lover or your rival. It is not necessary to use a specific color. A black pen on white paper will work. If you know their birthday, write it down below the name. If you don't know it, only write down their name. Roll the paper into a stick. Make sure you roll away from you. This symbolizes sending their energy away. When you are doing this, a specific prayer is not required. But if you do it as you watch this video, say the following spell while you slowly roll the paper. Here I draw the line. Stay away from what's mine. With this spell and from this moment, all your movements are frozen. Place the paper inside the container. If you want to protect the person so that no harm is caused, add a tablespoon of salt. You can use regular kitchen salt. Add enough water to cover the paper. As with all spells, the most important thing is to visualize your intention as you do it. Picture this person leaving you alone, going away forever, or losing interest in your partner. Imagine that their movements are restricted, that they are confined and have to stop whatever it is they are doing. When you are ready, place the container in your freezer. Hide it in the back so nobody will take it out. If necessary, add a label that says, "Do not touch." How long will it take to work? It is estimated that a freezer spell can work in 7 days. If the case is complex or the energy of the person is too powerful, it can take longer. Leave the spell in your freezer until you notice a change in their attitude. This can take a few weeks. Once the spell has worked, you can take the container out of the freezer and wash it well. Bury or throw the piece of paper far away from your home so you won't have any more problems with this person. When to cast this spell? Cast this spell on the waning moon, on any day of the week. You can also cast this spell to remove someone from your life. If you are dealing with a toxic or difficult person, this is a good spell to try. One more thing. If you realize that you have more than 10 people in the freezer, then there might be a problem with you. Casting a freezer spell for a person who is giving you problems is okay, but another thing is that you start putting everyone and everything in the freezer. That means you are becoming a very cold person. This is a quick way to end up alone and with no love. Use these spells wisely.